Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we make complex topics simple and interesting. Today we are diving into some exciting concepts in data science with a focus on text mining and analyzing unstructured data. If you are an MCA or MTech student or just interested in data science, this video is for you. Let's get started. So first question is how unstructured data are analyzed. Give example of data mining activity to analyze the unstructured data. First up, how do we analyze unstructured data? Well, unstructured data includes things like emails, social media posts, customer reviews, and even videos or images that don't fit into traditional rows and columns. To analyze unstructured text data, the process generally involves following steps. First step is text processing. Cleaning the data by removing irrelevant information is done in this step, like punctuation or stop words like and the etc. Second step is tokenization, breaking the text into smaller units like words and sentences. Third step is text representation, converting the text into numerical formats such as through TF-IDF or word embeddings. Sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity recognition is in the fourth step. We apply these algorithms to extract insights. The example for data mining activity is like imagine analyzing customer feedback for an online store. We extract keywords, categorize reviews as positive or negative, and even identify trends in the customer sentiments. So let's move on to our next question. How text mining techniques can automate the process of classifying written complaints? Great question. Text mining techniques use machine learning and natural language processing to classify written complaints automatically. Here's how. First of all, we do data collection. We collect a data set of complaints. Then we train the model. Use machine learning algorithms like Naive-Bayes support vector machines (SVM) or neural networks. You train these models on a labeled dataset where complaints are already categorized, example theft, fraud, etc. Then we do feature extraction, extracting important words or phrases as features. For instance, like stolen or missing might suggest that theft related complaints. Classification. Once trained, the model can automatically categorize new complaints into predefined categories like theft, fraud, or damage. So, if someone reports a lost phone, the system can automatically assign it to the theft category based on the words used in the complaint. Now, the next question is suggest the approach slash algorithm slash process to identify applicable IPC BNS sections for the given complaint. Alright, let's look at this complaint. Theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 20 February 20 February 2023. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. The first step is text processing. We will remove unnecessary words to focus on keywords like theft, mobile phones, and unknown person. Then we will use named entity recognition. We will use NER to extract details such as the date and the location. Then we will do rule-based mapping. In this, the first step would be the word theft can be mapped directly to section 378 of the IPC, theft related offense, and the next step would be unknown person suggests the involvement of a criminal, which might bring in section 511, attempt to commit an offense. Then we will put it into broader categories of BNS. Assign the complaint to the broad category like property crime in the BNS taxonomy. This can all this can all be automated using a text classification model trained on historical legal cases and complaints. It's time to move on the next question. Suggest suitable data structures and algorithm for question 3. For the problem of identifying IPC BNS sections from complaints, here's what you can use. First, data structures. Use a tree or hash map for strong keywords and IPC BNS mappings, ensuring quick lookups. Algorithms that can be used are TF-IDF plus machine learning models, which will classify text based on keyword importance. Then we can use deep learning models as an algorithm. These models like LSTMS or transformers, example BERT, for context based classification. Then our next and the last question is explain suitable matrices to assess the performance of the algorithms in the text mining. So finally, let's talk about evaluation metrics. First, first is accuracy. It measures how many complaints are classified correctly. Then comes precision, which focuses on the quality of prediction. That is, how many of the classified cases were actually correct. Then there is recall, which focuses on coverage. That is, how many relevant cases were detected. Then comes F1 score, the harmonic mean of precision and recall, giving a balanced measure. Confusion matrix is it provides insights into the true positive and false positives. For text mining tasks, you can also use matrices like AUC, ROC to measure how well the model distinguishes between classes. And that's a wrap. We've covered how to analyze unstructured data, automate complaints, classification, identifying legal sections, and evaluate text mining algorithms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comment what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. See you in the next one.